Today with me, I have this microfiber floor mop. I got this from Amazon Vine and I cannot wait to show you guys how this actually works and how it's so good. So first off, it has a really wide mop head, which helps you clean larger areas faster. And it comes with 3 different washable pads, which is really convenient because you can switch them out depending on what you are cleaning. So you can have one for different rooms, or you can just, swap them out whenever needed. And if you do not want to use the pad, you can actually attach your own cloths or wipes, which makes it very flexible. Also has a rotating head, so you can get under furniture, into corners, or even clean walls if you need to. Now you can use this both wet and dry. So if you just want to pick up dust or pet hair, you can use it dry. And if you're dealing with spills or stains, you can use it wet. The pads are really easy to attach to the mop head. You just press the mop head onto the pads, or you press the pads onto the mop head and they will stick. My favorite is this one that has straps. So you simply just open it up and attach your mop head to this pad and then close your straps and you are good to go. This is great for keeping your mop head attached, especially when you are dealing with a problem floor. And the handle is adjustable, so you can extend it depending on your height or what you're cleaning. This can be great for both tall people, short people, kids, adults. Just find your most comfortable height or perfect height and then lock it right here. And same thing, unlock it to extend to your preferred height. Overall, this is a really practical mop for everyday cleaning, especially if you're trying to keep up with a busy home. Definitely something I would recommend.